Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Tradingview to Bitget. Really easy and simple to do this, guys. Here's a step-by-step guide. So first things first, of course, you want to log in to your Tradingview account. Okay, you can do this from the app or your browser as well. And once you're logged in, you want to head to the chart section. Okay, you can click on that at the top screen, or if you're the mobile app, you're going to click on the bottom, click on chart, and then you open up the chart section. Now here in the chart section, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and open the trading panel. So the bottom of the screen, you're gonna click on the trading panel tab, and you'll basically see a list of brokers and exchanges. What you need to do is just select Bitget from the list. So in the list of brokers, find and click on Bitget, and then after you select Bitget, they'll ask you to log into your Bitget account. Okay, go ahead and enter your account credentials. And if you don't already have an account, guys, you can easily create one on the Bitget platform. And once you're actually logged in, you will need to authorize TradingView to connect with your Bitget account. This ensures that your trades are executed properly and securely. Okay, and once the connection is established, guys, you can start trading directly through TradingView using Bitget's market data, advanced charting tools, and their order placement options. Okay, and I can give you a pro tip before we end this video. You want to ensure that your API keys are correctly set up in your Bitget account for a smooth experience with TradingView. So I hope that this guide provided value to you, and if it did, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.